Have fun.
Good luck.
What map? What map?
Oh,
you have fun. Ah, yes. Welcome to Hell, also known as Classic Airport.
Yeah, have fun suffering.
Yeah, and I feel like an idiot because I had my mic muted on.
Then there's me also suffering on that map too, you know?
I try recording my frames are not liking it.
Alright, you know what? It's very close. I'm saying the center is somewhere like right, like literally maybe right offshore. It's about 4 miles.
I'm surprised if I even went with these frames. I knew I should. It was literally after skirmish too. Please don't be floods. No! 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 No!
What?
Black
This is
hole
what happens
first.
when you
That
jinx
is
it.
not a good start.
Oh shit, not good.
Oh fuck! This is not good. I need avalanche spam just to save. And that's a fucking terrible ass spawn. And how am I not dead? I hit a rift and I didn't take any damage from it. I'll literally show the recording after this if I manage to record through this whole thing. That black hole sucked me in. I just already had to use a drill. Thanks, black hole. We're fucked. It does either flood because there's no longer high ground. This is why I didn't want black hole first. Oh, great.
What's the next level? No.
The tower's gone, everything's gone.
What's the next
Next update for Earth.
What's the max stud height?
The max stud height
90.
for Classic Airport is 90, yeah. I thought you were talking about next update. I misheard.
Okay, I'm gonna be honest. Most of the okay, I'm gonna be honest. Shut up for a second. I'm gonna be honest. I would respect most of the 90 stud height to be dropped to like 20 or 30.
Yeah, this one should be like 45, honestly.
Not even. I would say 30.
Oh!
Or
I could be dead. I could be dead. I could be dead. I could be dead. I could be dead.
it's the orange. The orange is not speaking.
Oh, my Creole just saved my life.
Are you okay, buddy?
He's Bob's having a mental breakdown, viewers, no worries.
Yes, my Creole went in as soon as the ball hit, and I almost smacked into an avalanche. Oh, that was a long jump scare.
Alright, you know what?
I'm gonna declare landfall here.
Yeah,
it looks
same here.
close enough to direct center where I'm gonna call landfall here. 1102.
Yeah.
Yep, 1102.
It's not exactly center, but it's close enough to where I'm gonna consider it a landfall.
Yeah, viewers, if you guys are wondering.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it landfall too.
If you guys are wondering what oh, but we're going against Hurricane Helene that's hitting Florida. And now second disaster flood.
This is why, Pop, as I'd like to say, you need to shut the fuck up.
Yeah, I really need to.
You have never spoken words so true in my life.
Okay, I can hear y'all now.
Orange.
No!
Who joined?
Y'all said at the same time.
How's the life of the orange doing?
Oh, Hector joined. Okay. Hector, I'm
Okay,
recording.
like I said,
I know you're
he's
just
in-
impatient. You'll be on my video.
Orange.
No.
Wrong game.
Wrong game. Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna say it now. Yep. Landfall. Yeah, landfall. Yep.
I'm gonna have to take this split.
So I was about 3 minutes off then.
Come on, go down, Flood.
Hi, Squidward.
You see flood.
Orange.
Shut up! Concentrate.
Orange.
No.
Orange.
Let me concentrate, please.
Orange.
No.
Guys, is he an orange?
I'm not. I'm not.
Yes, he is.
I wasted like 4 or 5 heals during Flood.
Sadness.
Alright, Flood is over though.
Oh my god, I'm so
I think this
scared.
was the lowest
Orange.
Doomsday.
Tornado warning. Ooh. Observed tornado warning for Columbia County and Hamilton County in northern Florida.
Okay,
Hold on, all the residents in there. See you.
Paris.
fucking lava Flood third.
Paris.
Barrett.
Black Hole really wanted this fuck over.
He went.
We literally have to scream like a parrot.
Jack
This is not gonna go well.
No, it isn't, Hector. I have like maybe 2 small heals and 8 goblins.
Oh no. Oh god.
How the fuck?
Black Hole made me wait 1 and I lost a few during Flood. Had to use 2 goblins during Flood and 3 small heals during Doomsday.
Oh my god, this is.
Lowest health I went down to.
I wouldn't even use my
10.
small kills that much on Doomsday unless it's absolutely needed.
Pop, which board are you on?
I'm on
Order.
the last wall and there's a. Ooh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm
And
dead.
where's the
I'm
Moab?
dead. I'm dead.
What? Wait, hold on. I also have flood.
Lava flood.
Uh-oh.
I told him.
Ow!
We warned him many times.
Oh, you see
We warned him many.
point.
Yeah, we warned him many times to shut the fuck up, and he still
I'm
hasn't
not a
done
small
it.
heal.
And the game does exactly what he doesn't want because he didn't shut down.
No! I just had a mob spawn right on me!
What is it?
But it's not flood. But it did both
Oh,
floods
it's why
when
me
you
I'm dead.
said not to do the floods, and it did both floods. So, what do we learn today?
So pop. Oh no, Kyle. Live on the scene with the dumbasses. They pop everything. What's the lesson that we learned today, buddy?
I'm trying to lock in right now.
I'm actually running out of pills right now.
I'm almost out of goblins. I don't know how many I have.
Orange.
Oh, shut up, Zach. Anyways, no.
Orange.
No! Dude, I'm out of HP!
Orange.
No.
How am I
Oh,
even
must
Leave me
alive?
walking the last.
How about mustard?
What?
Oh, this is gonna fucking end me for sure.
Some
This is gonna end me for sure.
But
Meteor's
I'm gonna
back.
have heals at some point.
Kyla, do we have to tell him again to shut the fuck up?
What
I'm
do
being
you
dead
do?
serious. I have like 3 goblins.
Alright. Pop, shut the fuck up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Shut the fuck up.
I am dead serious. Axe
There you go.
meteors. Axe
Oh
meteors.
no. Oh no.
Rut-rut-raggy.
I have 3 heals. 3.
don't know how much I have right now.
Use them wisely. Extreme wind warning extended for Lowndes County, Thomas County, Brooks County, and South Central Georgia.
Isn't that the hurricane that's near Florida?
Oh,
Florida
fucking hate
just
this.
got landfall.
I don't know.
Dude, the extreme wind warnings are so fucking scary. It's not even, I'm not even kidding at that one.
Like, if you're outside right now, then you put this.
Orange.
Oh, please, no!
Hector, why are you over there? You can just jump on.
Not orange.
Here's a first cookie.
I know this is probably
Oh,
never
you
get
found a
by a single
cookie?
meteor.
Yep, went out of prize.
What
You
map?
want a cookie?
Kyla, what map?
Philippines 2022.
How do I hit by a single meteor?
Out of all maps, that's wow.
It was in the train.
Oh, okay, that's. Hi! Hi, buddy!
So,
I had an ice spike jump
it
scare.
did the MOAB. Oh no, it did the IC.
It's an ice
It's
squeak.
just double.
Oh, okay. Dust double. Man, I need dust double, but it's giving me more ice spike. So I had an ice squeak jump scare.
Oh my god. Oh shoot, that's me coming. That means come straight for me.
Yeah, that one's on me. 5 more meters. I've only been hit by 1 meter. Maybe it's giving me mercy.
2 actually. Again.
Hector, you're getting bullet, meteors? Steel? No, not
I
meteors.
am.
Avalanche steel. Oh, I'm landing on an
One last meteor.
I do not want
Orange.
No, Zach.
Orange.
No.
Orange.
Orange.
GG's.
Orange.
No. No.
Orange.
No.
Orange.
No.
Orange.
No.
Oh,
We have like
my
1 heal
God.
left.
Orange.
Orange.
Okay, so Pop. I have like 1 garbage heal left.
Let me see how many I had. Oh, there's
Orange.
Tsunami.
No. Orange.
Orange.
I
No.
had 2 goblin
Orange.
heals left.
Orange.
I had 2 goblin heals left.
Hector's an orange.
I'm not.
Yes,
Hector,
you
if
are.
this
Bullshit, you are an orange.
Hey, Hector, if this blizzard doesn't go away, we're gonna have trouble with this tsunami. Oh, no, okay.
Wait,
blizzard
what?
went away.
Where is he?
It's
Where's the
7
exporter?
It's 7.
Orange.
No, stop saying that.
Bro, literally at the end of the video, there's gonna be viewers wondering why you guys are calling orange.
Because his avatar is a small orange with a snowman.
Okay, yeah, you can pretty
I
much
see
say
you have a
that,
goblin in
that's-
your
You
hand.
finish saying that, Kyla. I can take my side. Small orange.
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 So like I said, orange.
He is 1000% an orange.
I didn't know percentages
See?
can go up to 1,000. I thought the maximum was 100. I'm kidding, I'm playing around.
Okay, so they are gonna have to restart the stream eventually.
You.
Maybe I'll get my last fragment with,
Alright, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna take a look to see if NHC declares landfall. Let's see.
Kyla,
Nothing,
when you're
nope.
ready, see a message.
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
It was low risk. Though.
Indeed.
It was still low risk.
How old was your server?
Actually, this is a good question.
It was, I think it was 8 hours
8
and
hours
1
and
minute.
16 minutes. So Doomsday probably came just after it hit 8 hours.
But we could not make
So it could have been